Hello everyone, I'll be showing you how to view and send your tokens via the Althash Web Platform. I'll put the link in the description, and I can see here that we've launched CryptoMag. Awesome. So I'll do a video on that very soon. Anyway, let's get straight to it. So first I need to open up a wallet. Alright, there we go. There's 2 tokens I created just for fun. So let's say I wanted to send one of these tokens. Alright, so let's go to send. Alright, so I don't want to send HTML, I want to send more. Okay, let's just go back here quickly. Let's look at the tokens I have. So these are the 2 tokens I have. I've already done videos on how to create a token. This is the contract address. Copy. Send. More. Paste. There it is. Naughty badge. Confirm. And you put the address. Whoever else has naughty badge and who has added the token. Put the address there, the amount, send. It's as simple as that. That's it, guys. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask me. Cheers for now.